I I I was just thinking about indlela ehlukahlukene that impilo challenges us. Um, Sometimes abantu esibathandayo abasithandi. Sometimes people that we love, there are times that we don't love them, and it's a challenge. It's a human challenge. A person, umuntu, is meant to grow, to develop, to elevate, to change, depending on the season abakuyo in life. And it poses a challenge to people around them. Then kufike lento engikhuluma ngayo. Sometimes we are so okay and comfortable with certain versions of people that we love, that when that changes, we have this suddenly this layer or this thing, tiny little thing of not loving them, or not loving that version of them, that new version of them. We sometimes love abantu because sonke asisebenzi, because all of us are hurting with trauma bond, because all of us are not successful, all of us are just struggling, and we relate better because we are in the same level, or that person or those people are in a level lower than us, and therefore we love them. Sometimes it's not always about things that they would have. We struggle to adjust to the success of people around us, of people that we love. In relationships and partnerships, in even relationships of a child and a parent, you suddenly don't like your child because they're standing up to something that they don't like in you, about you as a parent, or they're calling it out. You don't suddenly love this version of your wife or your partner or your boyfriend because they are no longer that meek person ongazikhulumeli. They stand up, they enforce boundaries, and then suddenly you don't love that version of your friend. You question that version of your friend. Suddenly they've changed. Sometimes we are so okay with people remaining